Hi there everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pumprada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write addition of two numbers using C#. Before we continue, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, share, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started. We are already here in our C# environment. So we go to File, New Project. Here we select Console Application, and then we click OK button. So here we can start writing the code. Oops. I will declare two variables, and num1 equals 0 and num2 equals 0 and sum equals 0. I declare three variables. Okay, next console dot write addition of two numbers in C#. Console write line. Next, we will ask the user to give the first value. Enter first horizontal tab. Enter first value. Enter first value. Okay. So next we have here num1 convert. We will convert now the variable from string into integer to int 32. Next, console point red line. Oh, sorry. Next, we'll copy this one, paste, and then we have to we will just change the word first into second. Okay, and then we have here num2. This is for the input. Sum equals num1 plus num2, and then we will display the result. Console write the sum of num1 and num2 is the sum. Okay, so after that, after that you can write console point write and program that tells the user that the program is already ended. Okay, so the last part of our code will be console point read key. Okay, so let us review first now what are the things that we have done in our addition of two numbers in C# program that we wrote. The first part is the declaration of three variables, num1, num2, and sum. As we clearly see, I initialize all three variables to 0. Now, the reason why I do it, because sometimes if we don't initialize the variables to its initial value, in this case we are using integer to 0, there are some instances that when we run our program, it generates an erroneous result. So we are wrong result. So we are trying to avoid that scenario to be happen in our program. The next step, we have here the title of our program, addition of two numbers in C#. And then this portion of the code is input, no? Input. And then this one is the processing by the use of assignment variable sum, and then we have here the display. The next step is to save our work. Okay, so after we save our work, we try to run our program. Okay, so we have it now. So enter first value 1, second value 2, the sum 1 and 2 is 3, end of program. Okay, so we have done already, you know. So okay, the problem is more on the formatting side. Okay, okay, so let us run again our code. Addition of two numbers in C#. Enter first value. Let's say for example we have 17, and then what is the second value? Let's say 3. So we are expecting the result to be 20. So here we got it right now. The sum of 17 and 3 is 20, and a program, when press the enter key, it will terminated. So one of the things that I have learned using C# is that if you have a knowledge on C, C++, or Java, we can still use that one. For example, this one, no, \t. This is horizontal tab in Java or C++ in C. We can still use in C#. and then this one \n new line in C++, in Java, we can still use in C#. That is the advantage of having a knowledge that based on a C language. We can still use it now in our program in C#. Very versatile programming language actually, the C#. So before we end, thank you very much guys for watching this video tutorial. I hope that you have learned something new in this video tutorial. If you like my video tutorial, please click the like button, share, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomprada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.